Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making coq au vin. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken, 1 bottle of red wine, 1.5 cups of cognac, 1.5 cups of chicken stock, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 6 tablespoons of butter, 4 strips of bacon, 1 shallot, 1 medium onion, 1 carrot, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, canola oil for frying, and parsley for garnishing. Place the chicken in a large bowl, then add your onions, carrots, garlic, and shallot. Now add the black peppercorn, thyme, and bay leaf. Now pour in the bottle of wine and 1/2 cup of cognac, then cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 12 hours. After your chicken has marinated for at least 12 hours, remove from the refrigerator, then place them on a paper towel and make sure you dry them thoroughly. After you dry your chicken, generously salt and pepper each side. Drain the marinade into a medium saucepan, then place the vegetables on a paper towel and also dry them thoroughly. Simmer the marinade over medium-low heat, and before the marinade starts to boil, clean off any debris from the top. Once the marinade is clean, bring to a boil and reduce by 1/3. In a separate saucepan, add the chicken stock, bring it to a boil, also reducing it by 1/3. Now it's time to brown your chicken. In a Dutch oven, add 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of canola oil. Brown the chicken in batches and set them aside. Remove most of the oil from the Dutch oven, add the vegetables, then sauté for 2 minutes. Return the chicken to the pot, then increase the temperature to medium-high heat, allowing the chicken to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn off your flame and add the remaining cognac. To burn off the alcohol, carefully flambe by using a kitchen lighter. Now add the marinade and the chicken stock and bring your liquid to a boil. After the liquid has reduced by 1/3, cover the pot, then transfer it to the oven and allow it to cook at a temperature of 375 for 45 minutes. To make your beurre meunier, combine your butter and flour and mix until you have a paste-like consistency. After 45 minutes, remove your chicken from the oven. Again, we're going to place the chicken aside, then we're going to drain off the sauce, then discard the vegetables. Using a tea sock, remove as much fat from your sauce as possible. Add the sauce to a medium saucepan and bring to a boil. Now whisk in 1/2 of your beurre meunier and continue to simmer until your sauce just begins to thicken. To make the garnish, add oil to your frying pan, then fry your bacon until it is crispy. Remove the bacon from the pan, then place on paper towels to remove the excess oil. Lastly, sauté the mushrooms for 3 minutes, then your coq au vin is ready to serve. Coq au vin is a traditional French recipe that takes patience in preparing, but it is definitely worth the wait. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grab